It is January 2nd. A lot of us are focusing on our bodies, how we can improve them, but a lot of us are forgetting about our brains. You know, every 65 seconds we hear that someone develops Alzheimer's in the country. More than 60,000 people in San Diego and Imperial counties have dementia. So we really need to take care of our brains.
100%.
So with me, Dawn Berry, we're talking about better brain health.
Yes.
So there are actual things that we can do and put in our bodies to help our brains.
Absolutely, yes. Alzheimer's is the 6th leading cause of death in the United States, and in San Diego, the 3rd leading cause of death.
Gosh.
And so it's the time of year where we're thinking about getting fit for our bodies, but we want to remember too, brain health is equally as important.
Now, I have, maybe people can research if they have Alzheimer's in their family. I know one of my grandmothers had Alzheimer's. Yes. Do we know why it's so prevalent here in San Diego?
We don't. It's one of the leading causes of death where we don't have any idea about prevention or cure.
Okay.
So the best defense we have is really changing lifestyle so that we can keep our brain healthy and get into that mode of prevention.
Okay, so let's get into some of the things that we can do starting right now, because it is the new year. What better time? Yeah,
so it's helpful to remember that what's good for your heart is also good for your brain. So I'm going to talk about some physical activities, and then we're going to go to mental.
Sure.
So first, we know, break a sweat.
Yeah.
Good for your body. What's good for your heart is also good for your body. Get that blood flow going, get that circulation going. That's very healthy for your body.
And a lot of workouts, you have to use your mind to connect with your muscles, so you're using those, you know.
You got it, right? It's putting 2 and 2 together. So after your great workout, fuel up, really healthy, fuel up. Don't let that good hard work go to waste. Fuel up with really healthy diet.
Don't go to In-N-Out Burger. Not that you can't, but you know, maybe have some almonds.
Absolutely. And so perhaps you're into biking or scooters. Protect your brain.
Yeah.
Traumatic brain injury definitely has a correlation with dementia and cognitive decline.
I don't see many people on scooters wearing these.
They don't. That needs to change. So these are cute. Get some stickers on this, get these things on your head, right?
We can bedazzle it.
There you go.
Glitter, whatever.
Don't smoke also, right? We know that that's not a good idea to keep our bodies and our minds healthy. So now switching over more to the mental side. So you can think of your brain as a muscle. The more you challenge it, the more you work it, the stronger, the more durable it gets. So let's think of some cool ways to really get your mind going. So take some classes. Think about maybe a language or art or something special that you've wanted to do. Really, really challenge yourself. Go ahead.
And you know what? There are even apps, say for some people who think, I'm too busy, I just can't get to a class. There are apps that you can download on your phone. I think one of them is Babbel or something like that, where you can teach yourself language just 5 minutes a day if you're waiting at the bus stop.
Exactly.
Or, you know, waiting to go into work, grabbing your coffee, you can learn.
100%. And then also, you know, sneak in some nice trivia games, ways to challenge yourself. Maybe you don't have time to take a full class. There's all kinds of ways where you can kind of challenge your brain via puzzles, etc. The other important thing is, and you can combine these things, is get social. Like create a social community, go learn something together, play games together. Mind your mental health. Depression and anxiety does not have good effects on our cognitive abilities. So get social, and of course we all know get some sleep. We can feel when we're tired. Our memory, our brain, our ability to function, that's giving us a sign. Get some sleep, relax that brain, let it recharge.
And I would think just surrounding yourself with people who are creative or artistic or who are going to open up your mind to other things as opposed to just going out to the local watering hole. Nothing wrong with that. But, you know, someone who's going to stimulate your conversation, hence your brain.
100%. Our social communities, our ability to connect, that's very important to keeping us stimulated, keeping us as part of a community, and keeping our brain healthy.
And that is so important because we're going to get older, and our brain, unfortunately, like as we mentioned at the beginning of this segment, Alzheimer's is very prevalent.
Absolutely.
And we want to do as much as we can to stop that dementia, etc.
Absolutely. The caregiver community is very important. You said 60,000 people in San Diego. Multiply that by 2 or 3 for caregivers. So we have to mind our caregivers, help them get the rest and relaxation they need to care for our patients with Alzheimer's.
Is there anywhere people can go for more information?
100%. Yes, please. So visit our website at als.org for classes, for courses, for brain health, also ways for support, and certainly our 1-800 number, 800-272-3900. We're here to support you. That's why we exist. There's all kinds of resources available in many languages.
You guys get ready. Heather, when I come in there, I'm going to start giving you like pop quizzes every commercial break just to keep you sharp. Just
Good. I need it. I deal with half a brain most mornings, so this will help. Jenny, thanks. Great reminders.